Whitespark SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're reviewing Whitespark, an SEO tool designed to help businesses enhance their local search presence and build effective local SEO strategies. Links to the product are provided in the description below. Whitespark is tailored for local SEO professionals, agencies, and small to medium-sized businesses who need to improve their local search rankings and manage their online reputation effectively. One of its key features is its local citation finder, which helps businesses discover and track local citation opportunities across a wide range of directories. This is essential for businesses looking to build a strong local presence and improve their search engine rankings. Whitespark also offers a review generation tool, allowing businesses to generate and manage reviews across multiple platforms, a crucial factor for local SEO success. Another standout feature is its local rank tracker, which provides detailed insights into how a business ranks across different locations. This tool allows users to monitor their local rankings on Google, helping them assess the effectiveness of their SEO efforts. Whitespark's reporting capabilities are also impressive, providing businesses with customizable reports that highlight key metrics related to local SEO performance. As for its strengths, Whitespark excels in local citation management and review generation, both of which are essential components for any local SEO strategy. The platform offers detailed insights and powerful tools to help businesses improve their online visibility in local search results. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. Whitespark is a bit on the pricier side compared to other local SEO tools, which may be a barrier for smaller businesses with limited budgets. Additionally, while the tool is fantastic for local SEO, it doesn't offer some of the broader SEO features like backlink analysis that you might find in other tools. Overall, Whitespark is a great choice for businesses looking to improve their local SEO efforts, offering powerful tools for citation building, reputation management, and local rank tracking.